A very good morning, students. Welcome to your science class. Class 7th, we are continuing with chapter number 14, electric current and its effect. So, we have completed up till activity 14.3. Let's start activity 14.4. In this, we are going to talk about the electrical fuses. Coming to the paragraph, wires that are made from some special material that generally melts very quickly and break the electric circuits, and when the electric currents are passed through that from higher than that of the voltage they can take. So what happens to them, these wires are used for making the electrical fuses because they get disconnected very quickly and they prevent from the shocks and electric accidents. So, in small buildings, the fuses are inserted in all the electrical circuits and there is a maximum limit on the current. जब उस मैक्सिमम लिमिट से ज़्यादा करंट फ्लो करेगा वायर में तो ये वायर से कुछ स्पेशल मटेरियल की बनी होती हैं जिससे कि ये फ्यूज़ हो जाती हैं. ठीक है. सो विच कैन बी एक्ट एज अ सेफ्टी डिवाइस ऑल्सो which can be safely flow through the current. But if by an accident the current exceeds this safe limit, अगर करंट ज़्यादा आ जाता है तो these wire may become overheated, वो ओवरहीट हो जाती है एंड मे कॉज फायर. तो प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है आपके इलेक्ट्रिकल सर्किट में अगर फायर लग जाएगी तो. So if a proper fuse is there in the circuit, it will blow off and break the circuit. वो उसमें से क्या कहते हैं कि आवाज़ आएगी ब्लो ऑफ होने की और वो सर्किट ब्रेक हो जाएगा. उसकी वजह से ये एक तरीके का सेफ्टी डिवाइस की तरह काम करता है विच प्रिवेंट द डैमेजेस टू द इलेक्ट्रिकल सर्किट्स एंड पॉसिबल फायर्स. सो हेयर वी कैन सी इन दिस डायग्राम आपके इलेक्ट्रिकल फ्यूजेस ऐसे दिखते हैं, आपके इलेक्ट्रिकल अप्लायंसेस में लगे होते हैं. So the fuses of the different kinds are used for the different purposes. In 14.14 also it can be shown, and these are used in our houses. Fuses are shown in 14.15 also and are generally used in the electrical appliances. Class, have you heard your parents saying MCB? MCBs down हो गए हैं या go and check the MCBs. So these days we have miniature circuit breakers. What is the full form of MCB? Miniature circuit breakers are increasingly being used in the place of fuses also. फ्यूज़ की जगह हम MCBs लगाते हैं. So these are the switches which automatically turn off when the current in a circuit exceeds a safe limit. जब आपके घर में भी MCBs डाउन हो जाते हैं ऑटोमेटिकली ये ट्रिप हो जाते हैं जब करंट ज़्यादा फ्लो करता है वायर में. ठीक है. यू कैन टर्न देम ऑन एंड द सर्किट इज़ वंस अगेन completed. Look for the ISI mark on the MCB. और MCB looks like this. कैन यू सी ये ट्रिप हो जाता है ये वाला. हम वापस इसको ऑन कर देते हैं तो सर्किट कंप्लीट हो जाता है एंड द लाइट इवेंचुअली कम्स. So the next topic which we are going to discuss is your magnetic effect of electric current. Yes, electric current also shows the magnetic effect and gives the magnetic property which was first tested by the scientist, that is his name was Hans Christian Ørsted. Fine. So let's learn about the activity, that is activity 14.5. We have to take a cardboard tray from inside a discarded matchbox. उसके ऊपर हमने क्या करना है, एक इलेक्ट्रिक वायर को रैप करना है फ्यू टाइम्स around the cardboard tray, and we can place a small compass needle inside it. Now we'll connect the free ends of the wire to the electric cell as shown in the figure. Can you see this figure? This is the circuit diagram. ठीक है, ये कार्डबोर्ड है, इसके ऊपर हमने वायर रैप कर दी, इसका एक एंड बैटरी से कनेक्ट कर दिया, दूसरा इधर ही हमने बल्ब लगा दिया. दिस इज अ सिंबल ऑफ बल्ब एंड अ स्विच इज़ देयर विच इज़ जनरली ऑफ. अभी अभी ऑफ सिचुएशन में जब हम इसको ऑन करेंगे तो ये करंट इसमें फ्लो करेगा. कमिंग बैक टू द पैराग्राफ. Now we can connect the free ends of this wire to an electric cell through switch as given in the figure. Note the direction in which the compass needle is pointing. हमें इसका डायरेक्शन देखना है कि compass needle generally north south direction में point करती है. So we can bring the bar magnet near the compass needle and we can observe what happens when the switch is on and when the switch is off. हमने देखा कि जब switch हमारा on position में होता है तो क्या deflection होगा? Yes, the deflection will take place. We know that the needle of the compass is a tiny magnet which will point in the north-south direction, and when we bring the magnet close to it, the needle gets deflected. अगर हम उसको पास लाएंगे मैग्नेट को तो मैग्नेटिक इफेक्ट शो होगा जिससे कि कंपास needle डिफ्लेक्शन शो करेगा. We have also seen that compass needle gets deflected when the current flows in a nearby wire. और कंपास निडल तब भी आपका डिफ्लेक्शन शो करेगी जब उसके पास से किसी भी वायर में करंट फ्लो करेगा. कैन यू कनेक्ट द टू ऑब्जर्वेशंस सो दैट व्हेन द करंट फ्लोज थ्रू द वायर इट डज नॉट बिहेव लाइक अ मैग्नेट. अगर उसमें से करंट फ्लो नहीं कर रहा तो कंपास निडल कोई भी डिफ्लेक्शन शो नहीं करेगा और वो मैग्नेट की तरह बिहेव नहीं करेगा. So this was first observed by the scientist named as Hans Christian Ørsted. He was the first person to notice the deflection of the compass needle every time when the current was passed through the wire. Okay class, let's learn about electromagnets also. In activity 14.6, can you see this diagram? This is an electromagnet. एक nail है, उसके ऊपर हमने wire wrap कर दिया. The free ends are connected to the battery and the switch is on. So it behaves as an electromagnet. For this, we can take a 75 centimeter long piece of insulated or a flexible wire and an iron nail. ये एक आयरन नेल है, इसके ऊपर वायर हमने रैप कर दी. नेल इज अराउंड 6 to 10 centimeters long. We can wind the wire tightly around the nail in the form of the coil. So this is acting as a coil. Connect the free ends of the wire to the terminals of the cell through a switch as shown in the figure. We can put some pins or nails near the end of the wire also on the nail, and now the switch on the current. What will happen? The pins will cling to the tip of the nails. Pins cling कर जाएंगी. क्यों? क्योंकि जो वायर हमने रैप करी है अपने नेल के अराउंड वो एक इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेट की तरह काम करेगा और वो मैग्नेट आयरन नेल्स को अट्रैक्ट करेगा. Clear? The coil in the above activity behaves like a magnet, and when the electric current will pass through it, because of the electric current is switched off, coil अपना जो magnetic effect है lose कर देगी. So such coils are called electromagnets. Electromagnets अपने आप में ये term है जो ये explain करता है कि when electricity is supplied to that, it behaves as a magnet, and when the switch is off and no current is flowing in that, it will not act as a magnet. It will not show its magnetic property. So these such coils, or you can say these type of coils, are called as electromagnets. The electromagnets can be made very strong and can lift heavy loads of objects also. We can see in the cranes that you have learned in chapter number 13 of class 6. So the electromagnets are also used to separate the magnetic material from the junks also, and the doctors are using these tiny electromagnets to take out the small pieces of magnetic material which have accidentally entered into your eyes also. So it is used by the doctors also, and many toys have used electromagnets inside them. So class, we have learned about electromagnet, and the next concept which you are going to learn is your electric bell. So we are quite familiar with an electric bell. It is similarly to that bell which we have seen in your schools also when your bell rings. Figure 14.20 shows the circuit of an electric bell. It consists of a coil of wire that is wound on a iron piece, and the coil acts as an electromagnet. Can you see this? It looks like your school bell. Yes. So an iron strip with a hammer at one end is kept close to the electromagnet. So there is a contact near the screw and the iron strip. When the iron strip is in contact with the screw, तो हमारी जो आयरन स्ट्रिप है अगर स्क्रू के साथ कांटेक्ट में आएगी तो उसमें करंट फ्लो करेगा थ्रू द कॉयल विच बिकम्स इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेट. वही सर्किट डायग्राम है जो हमने इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेट का एक्टिविटी 14.6 में देखा था. वी कैन से इट इज देन पुल the iron strip, and in this process the hammer at one end of the strip strikes to the gong of the bell to produce the sound. अगर ये आयरन का जो ये नेल है इस पे स्ट्राइक करेगा तो साउंड प्रोड्यूस होगा, एंड दैट साउंड वी कैन हियर. So we can say that when the electromagnet pulls the iron strip, it also breaks the circuit and the current through the coil stops flowing into them. जब हम उसमें करंट बंद कर देते हैं तो उसमें से कोई कॉइल के अंदर कोई करंट फ्लो नहीं करेगा. विल द कॉइल रिमेन एट इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेट? नो. जब तक उसमें करंट पास नहीं होगा तो वो इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेट की तरह बिहेव नहीं करेगी. एज सुन एज वी स्विच ऑफ एंड द करंट इज नॉट फ्लोइंग इनटू दैट, it will not act as an electromagnet. So the coil is no longer an electromagnet. It no longer attracts the iron strip, and the iron strip comes back to the original position, and touches the contact screw again. So this completes the circuit and the current flows in the coil, जो current उसके अंदर flow कर रहा था, and hammer strikes the gong again. जब current उसमें flow करेगा तो जो hammer होगा वो आपकी gong को strike दोबारा से करेगा. This process is repeated in quick succession. So the hammer strikes the gong every time the circuit is completed. So this is how your bell rings. Fine. So this is circuit diagram of the electric bell, and with this we have completed our chapter number 14. I request you to please send your queries and doubt to the class email ID. Solve your question and answer of NCERT. I'm sending you the PDF in your fair notebook. Draw the circuit diagrams neatly and properly, class. Thank you and have a nice day.